Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Excel. There was a problem with the clipboard while you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. First method or first solution is we can try to close any Excel processes or instances. But before you can close any Excel instances, is you need to make sure that you have saved all your spreadsheets or all your books or all your work. And then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task mgr, which stands for task manager. Now go ahead and click on it under the best match. Now maximize this. Here in the search bar, type Excel. Simply make a right click and then select End Task. And once you have completely closed any Excel instances or processes, then just try to see if the problem has been fixed afterwards. For the next method is we can restart or easily restart Excel. So open Microsoft Excel, or if you are already on your Excel application, you are on your spreadsheet, just simply click on this close button and then just simply open Excel again. So by that, you have just easily restarted the Microsoft Excel and just try to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can also use the open and repair tool, which is a built-in tool in the Microsoft Excel. Now you have to click on this file tab at the top left corner. Then you'll find this open option in the left pane. You'll find this browse option. Then click on your spreadsheet. Then you have to click on this drop down arrow. And then you have to click on this option open and repair. Now this window will appear and you have just to simply click on this repair button. And for the next method is we can also disable the Excel add-ins because there are some cases that the Excel add-ins can cause the issue for your Microsoft Excel. So click on this file tab at the top left corner. Scroll down and you'll find more under the close option in the left pane. Click on options and here you'll find Excel options. You have to click on this add-ins. Here you'll find manage. Click on this drop down arrow and choose Excel add-ins. Click on this go option. Now here you'll find all the add-ins or the Excel add-ins. Just simply make sure that you are going to uncheck all of these boxes, or by unchecking that, then you have just disabled the Excel add-ins. Finally click on OK. Then get out of here. And then for the next method is we can also close or clear the Windows clipboard history. So for that, press the Windows key and letter V key together for the shortcut, and you'll find here the clipboard. Click on this clear all option, and by that you have just cleared the Windows clipboard history, and just try to see or launch the Excel application after that to see if the problem has been fixed. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.